Football lovers, sanibonani. Welcome to BK Sports with Bongi Nkosi. Ngithemba ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Please don't forget to like on the video and subscribing to the channel. Ngabonga kakhulu. Danko. What influences a player to decide ukuthi his next move will be at which club? Is it money? Is it passion, or they're just seeking a different environment whereby they could find themselves again, maybe try to resurrect their career, especially if where they are right now, things are not going well for them. Hi, asazi sobona ngendlela. Tshegofatso Mabaso made a statement ukuthi a lot of people expected him to come at Chiefs because it was circulating around social media platforms that it is inevitable ukuthi him and Kaizer Chiefs won't meet. There's no way that he won't play for Kaizer Chiefs because there were rumors being spread with no, it's a done deal. But for him, it wasn't about prestige. It wasn't about representing a big club, but the decision was based on him going to a club whereby he feels like he will make an impact, to a club whereby he feels like he will offer something, to a club that will trust him to lead the line in front as their main striker. That's the reason he chose Stellenbosch over Kaizer Chiefs. So simply means ukuthi uhlale phansi washaya self introspection and he realized ukuthi no, I might go to Chiefs, but at Chiefs I won't find it easy because of stiff competition, especially looking at the number of strikers that Kaizer Chiefs have. Surely it wouldn't be easy, especially from the coaches that don't rely on the players that have talent that much, but they rely on players that have impact on the field. It's not about you scoring goals, it's about you being a team player, sacrificing yourself, going to positions whereby they are very deep to defend and help the team do turnovers and be good in terms of your hold-up play, because you need a player that you can use as an outlet. But for a player like Tshegofatso, he saw no, I think Stellies will be much better, because there, if I have to compete, simply means I have to compete with two players, Muzikanye and Cupido. So obvious, if you look at the profile of both these players, surely Mabasa is ahead of them. That's why Vele he'll be the main striker at Chiefs, not at Chiefs per se, but at Stellenbosch, because he's a seasonal player. He can score goals for you, especially if you give him feed. He's a box striker. He's like a predator waiting to pounce on every ball. And one thing about Mabasa, people can criticize him of the ball movement that is poor, but there are things that when you look at them, they seem like they are easy, but they are not. If you are a striker and you know how to position yourself inside the box, you are a very little striker, and that's what Mabasa does. He perfected that so that it can be able for him to sniff for goals by positioning. That's why even by now, Cristiano Ronaldo is a good finisher, because he knows how to position himself inside the box. What does that tell you? It simply means Guti, at some point, don't focus on your weaknesses, but focus on your strengths, because the strengths are the ones that will make you to shine and be visible. Because at Pirates, we all know Guti, the only reason Umakhopo will start ahead of him, Umbutuma will start ahead of him, especially this season, it is because of who work great. Coaches appreciate that and they reward that. And look at what is happening with the Chiefs. That's the same with our co-coaches. Bengeke kube lula for him even though bekuzoba na rotation, but what Flavio Silva is doing simply means ukuthi they're gonna prefer him, because even Abu Mayo now they're finding it difficult, but I believe ukuthi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi they will find their feet. But for him choosing Stellenbosch, it was a clever move, and you cannot go against a decision whereby ukuthi a player himself understood ukuthi what he's going through. So he needed a place whereby ukuthi the brain will feel safe. Because at Naturena number one pressure, the pressure to perform, it was going to be overwhelming for him. But nevertheless, it was a good decision for him to choose to join Stellenbosch. Even though I feel like with man Stellenbosch bayasiqinisa for the fact ukuthi bafuna iChiefs iphume early kule Nedbank Cup, because why nathi singatholanga abo Gomora United njengezinye ingane? Why singatholanga abo Casrick Stars njalo Stellenbosch? But asikho lapho. So we've been busy saying that Kaizer Chiefs doesn't want to spend when it comes to players. They rely on getting these free agents. But the statement that was revealed about the top 10 clubs in Africa that were big spenders in the foreign market, Kaizer Chiefs are number 10, ahead of other clubs that do spend. Bazithola lapha ne Mamelodi Sundowns, of which it is a shock, but no, it is not a shock, because the foreign market, it simply means one thing. Doesn't mean good you have to pay much to get players, but it's all about you being active in the market, whereby which you take players that are not playing locally, you bring them in South Africa. So for last year alone, Kaizer Chiefs is Tolegu number 10, but I'm trying to recall here which players did they bring in Naturena? Not foreigners water, but that were not playing in Africa. So we cannot say what you were spending ngokuthola free agent, but there were players that they paid for ukuthi bafike Naturena. So mangithi nyabheka, number 1, I think, I believe it's Flavio Silva ufikile naye. I don't remember, it was confidential imali abamthenge ngayo, and uNkanyiso Shinga na he was bought from the team yakhe yasePortugal. Ayucele weza mahala, Chislet ufike mahala. Ulilepo naye he was bought. Ulilepo was bought. Which player naye oyi-foreign that was bought by Kaizer Chiefs for 2025? Let me see. Nope, I don't think ukuthi akhona amanye afikile, because amanye afike before, because uMiguel yena wathenga ula eAfrica, bamthenge kwi-team edlala eAngola. So that's why Mamelodi Sundowns ilaphana, because bona ke kuyaziwa ukuthi imarket yabo ile kude, isebenzele kuma dollars, ayisebenzi around kuma rands, because I think it's because of Rezino, Nuno Santos, Brian Leon bamthenge this year. So that stat is for last year. So Kaizer Chiefs, it's only these 3 players that made them ukuthi bazithole balaphana. So it simply means ukuthi with Terra Maliwa, I think we're still gonna see amanye ama signings coming from other parts of the world, because we saw with Castillo, we saw with Gonzalez, strike esingakuri madoda, but la khona he's making wonders. Kusho ukuthi inkinga iKaizer Chiefs yithi singazi, because even Chivavero is scoring la dlala khona. So that simply means ukuthi even though si specialize ngama free agents, akhona ama chance ukuthi sithola ama players that are not from South Africa. So that simply means ukuthi it's all about the club looking at themselves and look at their budget and see what kind of players that fall within their bracket financially so that they can sign them, especially after entering transfer room. That was a huge step for Kaizer Chiefs. Hopeful ukuthi they're gonna be using this transfer room in a way that is going to be beneficial for them to get good players and the right players for the coach that is going to come at the end of the season, or for these co-coaches if they manage to convince ukuthi they are the right people to lead the Kaizer Chiefs. So for today, I think Storenzo Valangaso is Saga Refrosl. As I was saying, uthi Kaizer Chiefs is discreet ngama injuries. Bayithulele nje, there's nothing being updated. Uzwa ngabo nje bakushaya ngama surprise. It's like going to a Shoprite uthi uyothenga ama tin stuff uthola ngenama label. Mawufika endlini uzitshela ukuthi uvula i-baked beans kanti uvula i-fish udla ama surprise. So that's what Kaizer Chiefs is doing, because now Riff Rosler, we don't know what was happening with him, but now he's on the road to recover after a leg surgery. Bese ngazi lutho thina sitshela ukuthi udla ama ice because uMonyane and Solomons bayibambile leya position, but it seems like ukuthi uyelo wathole injury. Hopeful ukuthi recovery yakhe izoba right, sombone enkundleni soon, but hey kusazoba nzima. And for Rosler ke yena bavele bamgaya 3 years contract. So kusho kona ukuthi they still believe in him. When you look at a player like Riff Rosler, uvela uye ku Real Madrid straight, you look at players like Dani Carvajal. That's the kind of a player Riff Rosler is for Kaizer Chiefs. One thing about him is the technical ability. The ability to drive with the ball, smoothness, the technique to kick the ball, especially his passes, the crosses are very accurate and pinpoint. That's why I believe ukuthi if ngenzeka nje athola chance on that right flank, ama crosses angafakile uFlavio Silva, hey, we're gonna eat nice. Singadla kamnandi.